In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in Wrike in just 5 minutes. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply correcting a mistake, knowing how to efficiently remove tasks can keep your project management streamlined and effective. Let's dive right in and look at how this is done. First, you want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser that you're comfortable with. Once your browser is open, type Wrike into the search bar and hit the search button. You'll see the Wrike homepage pop up. Go ahead and click on it to be directed to Wrike's main website. This is your gateway to accessing your workspace where you can manage your tasks. Once you're on the Wrike homepage, you'll notice a couple of options, depending on whether you already have an account. If you do, click on Log In to get into your personal workspace. However, if you're exploring or just setting things up, you might see an option that says, Try Wrike for free. Click that option to start your free trial and set up a workspace where you'll learn how to manage tasks efficiently. Now that you're inside your Wrike workspace, you'll need to find the specific task you want to delete. In Wrike, tasks can be displayed in various views, such as List View, Board View, or even as individual cards. Navigate through your projects to locate the task. This could be a task that you no longer need, or something that was entered by mistake. When you've found the task, you'll need to access the menu associated with it. One way to do this is by right-clicking directly on the task's row or its card in the project. Alternatively, you can look for the three-dot menu, which is sometimes referred to as the kebab or more options menu. This is a set of vertical dots typically found next to the task's name. Click on this menu to find your task options. Once the menu appears, look for and select the Delete option. This is the moment you can remove the task from your project list. It's a quick action, but don't worry if you realize you made a mistake. Wrike ensures you have a safety net. After you select Delete, you might be prompted to confirm your decision. This prompt is a double-check feature to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm the deletion, and then Wrike will automatically move the task to the recycle bin. The task isn't gone forever just yet. It's essentially in a holding area where you can restore it if needed. And there you have it. You've just learned how to delete a task in Wrike. Keeping your workspace clean and organized can significantly boost your productivity. Remember, the recycle bin is your friend if you need to retrieve any mistakenly deleted tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.